Our next stop here in Seoul, we're going to be going to Gwanghwamun Square. Now, the square is located a short distance from the palace, but there's going to be 2 statues here to commemorate great leaders of Korea. So let's go check them out. The first statue we're going to go check out, King Sejong. So King Sejong, what makes him important other than being a king is he developed the Korean alphabet. Now, why is this significant? During that time frame, commoners weren't deemed worthy to know how to read or write. Well, King Sejong created the alphabet in Korean to help the commoners learn how to read and write. So it's kind of going away from the normal. Now, if you go on the back side of it, it's closed today because it's Monday. They have sliding glass doors that have the story of King Sejong in there. So let's go check out what the Korean alphabet looks like. And it wouldn't be going to a capital city if you didn't have your own demonstration. So those are nurses that are talking about going on strike. Oh, could be worse ones out there. Now, another cool thing you can do is you can come over here on a nice hot summer day and walk underneath a fountain. Woo! Brisk, but refreshing. Woo. Pretty long too. You didn't want to try that?
No.
It's refreshing. You were just saying you're hot.
It's okay.
It's refreshing.
I'll stay.
Yeah. You stay hot. You are hot, girl. Ooh. Sow. Now I gotta mark this video PG-13. This statue is a monument to Admiral Sun Shi-shin. He was responsible for designing that boat that's right there. We're gonna go check it out. But when they were fighting the Japanese, he created that design so that they could be a formidable opponent against Japan, who had a lot more ships. And they actually won. Now, these pillars that you see right here, they all have quotes from the Admiral to the King, to his officers, to his soldiers, to his country, motivating them about their strengths and their ability to beat Japan.